Today, we are going to crochet this one, a blooming hydrangea. Add a touch of romantic building materials to life. Choose 4 shares. Milk cotton with 2.0 millimeters crochet. Ring needles to crochet hydrangea flowers first. After the starting needle is completed, hook 4 short needles in the online circle. Four-pin end tighten line coupon. Hook a lead needle in the first entry. The next part to start crocheting the flowers? First hook 5 lock pins. Pick a thread from Lishan on the back of the lock needle. Hook the line 3 times in sequence. And crochet around. The wire goes through both coils at a time and repeats 3 times. The first row completes the second row. First hooks a lock pin, then hook the thread on each needle in sequence. A total of 6 lines. There are 7 coils on the crochet, then the crochet winding goes through the 2 coils at a time. Repeat 6 times. Second row ends. The third row first ticks the line 6 times in sequence. Then crochet through the first stitch. Hook a lead needle. Crochet winding. Hook a line. Back of the loop crochet winding hooks 2 coils at a time. Repeat 6 times. End of third row. The fourth row also ticks the lines 6 times in sequence. Hook 2 coils at a time and repeat 6 times. The fourth row ends and the fifth empties a needle, and an eye is not hooked in the second needle. Start by ticking the lines 3 times in sequence. Crochet winding hooks 2 coils at a time. Repeat 3 times. Fifth row and sixth. Start on the second needle. Crochet 4 lead needles in sequence. Finally, hook a lead needle on the first stitch. This completes the first petal. Hook a lead needle on the second stitch. Repeat the crocheted square of the first petal. Method for crocheting: crochet a petal on each stitch. 4 petals crocheted in total. Fourth, set petals complete finally on the first stitch. Hook a lead needle. Then cut the thread to hide the thread. The part where the leaves are crocheted after the flowers are done. Edge locking needle. 15 lock needles are crocheted after the starting needle is complete. 15 stitches complete and take out a paragraph. The iron wire needs to be crocheted together with the iron wire here. Hook a short needle on the penultimate lock needle. On the back 2 stitches. Each crochet a medium and long needle. Then crochet 8 long needles in sequence. Eight stitches end. Crochet 2 medium and long needles in sequence at the back. Hook 3 short stitches in the last stitch. Turn to the other side. On the remaining half needle, continue crocheting corresponding to the number of stitches in the first half. First, crochet 2 medium and long needles. 8 long towns. After the 8 stitches, crochet 2 medium and long stitches. Hook a short needle in the last stitch. Hook a lead needle over the first short needle header. The second circle first hooks a lock pin. First, crochet 14 short needles in sequence. 14 needles. End by hooking 3 short stitches on the next stitch. Then, crochet 14 short needles in sequence. End of second lap. Finally, on the first needle. Hook a lead needle. The third circle first hooks a lock pin. Hook a short needle on the first stitch. 2 lock pins. Hook a short needle on the next entry. 2 lock pins. Continue at each stitch later. Crochet 1 short needle and 2 lock needles on each. Ring crochet. End of the third lap. Finally, on the first needle. Hook a lead needle and reserve a section of thread. Cut the thread next. Wrap the excess thread around the wire. After the leaves are complete, they are then assembled. Take out a piece of thin wire, the part that makes the stamen with yellow thread. Will be ready flowers and leaves. Fix to flower pole. The teaching of hydrangea. The journey is over here. See you next time.